What am I gonna do? This is the 360 interactive I'm working on. And right about here is where we want this ironing board to animate out one of the drawers as if it's part of the image. But now, thanks to COVID, my test shoot for an animation sequence is now the only footage I've got. The angle's all wrong, the lighting's off, and I've got another issue, but let's not go there. The showroom looks amazing. It's 9K resolution. And we've got lots of interactivity, such as this image gallery that shows off the fingerprint resistant laminates on this section of the showroom. And look, interactivity within an image gallery. How cool is that? To create a believable ironing board sequence, first I have to isolate the ironing board in each shot from behind the original cabinets. Oh no! I've managed to crop off the tip of the ironing board when I framed this shot. Okay, let's take some ironing board from this shot and transplant it to this shot. Now, I'm going to export a frame from the 360 Pano and overlay our etched ironing board sequence. A little bit of skew magic in Photoshop and some color correction, and we're in good shape. Finally, we can lay up the image sequence in Premiere Pro to animate everything the way we want. Now we place it into Pano2VR for a pretty good looking animated sequence. If you need a super interactive presentation to train, explain, or entertain your audience, hit me up anytime.